Inside Secure has a fundamental role in the NFC ecosystem because first we are bringing all the major building blocks of an NFC solution. We are bringing the hardware and the software. The hardware is our NFC controller, microread, but we got also a secure element, secure read. And we got also the Open NFC, which is an open software stack that bridges a lot of people. There are a lot of developers working with that solutions. As of today, there are more than 2,000 unique visitors on the OpenNFC.org website working on the OpenNFC solution. And this solution has also been adopted by major silicon providers. So it's not only for inside secure chipsets. In addition to these building blocks, we are also providing turnkey solution for our customers, certification, we are developing applets and even NFC applications. We believe that both are important. That's true that the NFC ecosystem have focused a lot on secure scenarios, about payment, about transportation, and Inside has been a major pleasure for these scenarios with member OSPT, that is a consortium that wants to create some open standard for public transportation. We also provide I-Class, which is a secure use cases for entrance in buildings. And for non-secure scenarios, we believe that there are going to be a lot of these different scenarios. And that developers and other NFC actors will have to invent these scenarios. We do not believe that there is one killer application. I think that what will drive the adoption of NFC is really the ecosystem. There need to be a chip in handset, but there also need to be open development environment. So the killer application are going to be multi-application, and we need the developers for creating these applications. We need the developers' brain to really create a very fruitful NFC environment. I think that like all services that involve very complex interaction with backend, with user interaction, this needs to be really well prepared in advance. And what we will demonstrate later is maybe a service that has been prepared since 2 years now, and we've done a trial during 3 months, and I think that's really this preparation and the trials, the real trial, that is important. We need to develop real application with real people in a big market, and then this trial and get feedback from the trial. I think that's one of the most important key points. Yes, definitely. We've been very active in WIMA since a long time. We've been there last week in WIMA US. We were a sponsor. We are a golden sponsor here. And I'm sure we will be sponsor also next time. I know that we will join WIMA. I don't know all the details, but yes, definitely.
Okay, so I will show you what we are doing with these NFC phones powered by our NFC chip SecureRead. So we are demonstrating here the reading of an ISO 18013 driving license. So it's quite simple. You just select the good program on your phone, you present the passport, and it's read. It's also working with biometric passports. Here is one of them. You must enter the passport name, the passport number, birth date and expiry date. So I will just show you what the passport is detected. We managed to see that the protocol of protection is enabled, and if I enter the data, I can read the passport. I will not do this because the picture is huge and the demo will be a little bit long. Second demo we have is something around healthcare. We developed in partnership with the French government. We were funded for this. Extelia, which is a trusted tier party, they are a member of group La Poste, and the ABRAPA, which is an organism who gives care to elderly people. So the aim of this is to equip the people who are giving care with a mobile phone, an NFC mobile phone, and the elderly people or people who need care with a smart card. When the visitor comes to the elderly people, he taps the card. This creates an imprint and a stamp, which is sent over the air to the third part. They are sealing this data and send them back either to the financer. We will pay back the people who give the care, and also to the coordinator which will prepare the schedule and so on and so on. So when I arrive to the people who need care, here is this card. I just push the card on the phone. The tap is detected, the imprint is sent through the air to the third part, and I can start to work. Here my working time is logged. I have all the information I need for doing this task, who I am dealing with, all the data, as is some allergy and so on and so on and so on. So it's a really useful tool. It's in place since 3 months in real condition. 100 people were using it. We made 3,000 stamps, and the feedback is really, really good, either for the visitor, who are only one tool to have their schedule, all the information they need. You can see it's very simple to use. If I want to see my planning, I just click on my planning, what will come next, what I have to do today. It's really, really simple tool, and we have great feedback on this. And at the end, just to show you, it's working really in a real context. We have there the third part. Hello, the third part website, and I can see that right now I'm starting to work on this session.